Oh, you get my phone? Good morning. I'm gonna be going with Cass today. We're gonna go look at my puppy dogs. It's just gonna be her and I. I just want to see if they have any of the ones from the website you're looking at, because they are some really cute ones. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Kita! So we're doing 3 shelters, I think, today.
We'll see what happens.
Possibly. They're kind of like really far, but we'll see what we get. I might come home with a dog, Chad. At the place right now. We got Chicken Little and Kraken. They both have one eye. They have heterochromia. Hi, babies. Hi, Sunny. Hello, baby. She's 2. This is so cute. Hi, Oni. Hi. Oh, you're a big boy. Hello. You stinky? Hello. You a dink? There's no way they named you Fat Boy. Fat Boy. Miko. Hi. Oh, Miko. Very pretty eyes. You guys oh my God. Hello, my sweet boy. Hello, you're so handsome. Look at you, little baby. Oh, look at that smile. You know, I didn't know that they had bunnies, but look at you. I'm a little scared of bunnies, but you're cute. Oh my God, your eyes, baby. Your eyes. Oh, I think they're 8 months.
8 months old.
Sweet boy. Oh my fucking God. I'm not gonna lie, I really fell in love with the Goldens. I'm gonna try and meet with the Goldens, and if we interact well, we might get the Goldens. I haven't told my parents. She's only 8 months old.
It's not a puppy.
She's such a bad
No, because my heart loves her so much.
My sweet baby girl. I'm honestly a little heartbroken. Cass cried. The Goldens that we saw are going to a rescue, and we went to inquire about the rescue, and they won't tell us unless we file something with City Hall to figure out where they're going. So I'm a little heartbroken and I'm sad.
But if it's true.
Oh, hello. I'm gonna cry. Hello.
That's cute.
So I've caved and I've emailed public records to try and find where they're going. We'll see.
Good doggies.
We're on our way to another shelter, but I'm gonna do everything I can to find where Sal's going. So look at you guys. He's so little.
Roasty.
Is your name Toaster? Toaster. Hello. Oh yeah. Mishka. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my God. What's going on? Oh, can you get my phone? Oh, you want toy? This might be too big for you. Oh. No, yes. Hi, baby. Oh. No. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I don't know. He's such a good boy. His little tail's wagging. He's got the breaths. Okay, by some stroke of legendary luck, we went to a different shelter, and we just, out of nowhere, I kind of just asked the lady that was gonna show us these dogs. I was like, hey, is there any way you could check and possibly like see, or would you know any rescues in the area that would take like a golden retriever Great Pyrenees mix? And she called the place and she's like, oh yeah, they're being transferred here. What? Luck.
What stroke of luck?
I don't know. So we're gonna wait probably like a few days until she gets transferred.
We're gonna be checking that website
Dead ass, and
all the time.
I'm so excited. We're gonna have a puppy by the end of the week. This is quite a bit later, but I figured I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on today because today's gonna be a little insane. We're gonna get a fucking dog today. We're gonna go get Sal. We were let known that basically she's not going to be at this, she's gonna be at an adoption event today. So it is currently like 7 in the morning and we are about to take our happy asses to like 3 different PetSmarts to make sure that we get her. I'm so excited. It has literally been over a month since we have basically tried to get her getting well, you know, needing to gain weight, getting her surgery done, but it is finally the day that we get to bring her home, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Trent and Cass are on her way now. We're gonna go get the puppies because they're gonna get her sister. Trent and Cass are getting Picante, which is Sal's sister. We're gonna change the names, but they're getting her sister so we don't have to split the sisters up. I'm so excited. You excited? Come be in the vlog. You're not excited?
Yeah.
We haven't even picked a name out yet, but I want to like interact with her and be with her before we pick it out, because we could pick a name out and it just not fit her.
Micah.
I don't want Micah.
What the fuck?
Micah was the name of somebody that I know from high school.
Oh.
Do I really want to think about her every time I see my dog?
What if she bites me the first day?
It's meant to be. She's like her mom.
Right up front. Get that one.
So we're here.
Why?
And we about to go in, baby. We're about to go see you.